Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. USDA in its latest supply demand report makes major revisions to yields, especially to soybeans. The new numbers giving a big boost to beans midweek. Let's dive right into them. And we'll start with soybeans. USDA putting yields now at 49.8 bushels to the acre, down 7/10 from September, and that means a cut in production. The numbers lower than the trade anticipated. Corn falling more in line with the new yield, almost 172 bushels to the acre, down about a half bushel from September. As for wheat, USDA taking another bushel off, now at 46.5 bushels to the acre. USDA also cut exports for all three, corn, soybeans, and wheat, leaving ending stocks unchanged for soybeans, but corn ending stocks were a bit higher than the trade expected, even while cutting by 47 million bushels. Wheat stocks also a little higher than anticipated. USDA saying specifically about wheat that due to slow pace of export sales and continued uncompetitive U.S. export prices, this would be the lowest U.S. wheat exports since 1971. AgDay's Michelle Rook joins us with more market reaction. Michelle.
Clinton, the big bullish surprise in the October WASDE was USDA dropping soybean yield below 50 bushels per acre and cutting production 65 million bushels. That resulted in an unchanged ending stocks figure, but that was about 50 million bushels below expectations. Corn yield and production were also lowered, but both were above expectations, as well as the 1.72 billion bushel ending stocks figure. Market analysts say moving forward, the trend is for USDA to keep lowering production for corn and beans, but also cut demand.
So USDA cut the export demand for corn by 125 million bushels, corn for ethanol by 50 million bushels. We saw a change in the soybean export demand by 40 million bushels. So I think that's going to be the theme right now is seeing revisions lower in the crop, but also in the demand side of the balance sheet.
So split doesn't see corn or soybean ending stocks dropping to pipeline supplies like they did during the drought year in 2012.
I don't know that we're going to see a sub-billion bushel carryout again. I don't think we're going to see soybean carryout drop to that previous 120.
The cut numbers were also a bit bearish. USDA trimming production just 20,000 bales, but traders expected a 492,000 bale cut. Ending stocks were increased by 100,000 bales. The wheat ending stocks number was also bearish with only a 34 million bushel cut. Now USDA did put that 133 million bushel production cut into the balance sheets, but it was offset by lower demand, including a 50 million bushel drop in exports. And we'll have full analysis later in the show.